Hey there folks, this is Margarett Klein coming to you live from 181 District Street here in Palm Bay, Florida, 32909. And we are getting ready to go on this amazing home tour. But before we get started, I want to give a big shout out to Frankie Oliveras with Ken Jones Realty. And I do apologize if I butchered that name at all. So we are going to dive right into 181 District Street here in Palm Bay, listed at $350,000. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2020 home. And as you can see, we've got a nice big open walkway on our way in. Always amazing to have lots of space. We're going to get into this beautiful kitchen, stainless steel appliances, huge dining room over there, really big living room area, folks. Look at all this space. We've got granite countertops, and I'm going to get a little closer here so you can see how enormous this room is. Like, that is a big table, and you still have plenty of space. So, folks, quick jump over to the garage area, and look how we can see clearly out through that garage. But you know what? If you're on the outside, you cannot see in. That's got one of those really cool screens where people cannot see inside, but you can see outside. You can enjoy that breeze, yet nobody knows you're there. Probably why they've got a pool table in there, because they're enjoying that. So right here we've got our air handler, folks. And we go right into the laundry room. Washer and dryer right here. Plenty of room for some shelving up top. And we are going to go ahead and cruise right back through. And we're going to go over here to the primary bedroom. And as we go in here, you'll see we got a huge room here, folks. There is tons and tons of space. We've got a lot of big furniture, a lot of stuff, and we still have plenty of room. Then we're going to go into the primary bathroom. Super cute, granite, 2 sinks. And then we've got our walk-in closet. Lots of room in there. Got another little closet right there. Sorry about that. Wasn't trying to be in your video. I know it happens every now and then. I'm going to give you a better look at that shower because it appears from the outside it's not very big, but it is a nice size since it's on that corner. And this door brings us right back out to our laundry. So how perfect is that, that your laundry is right outside your bathroom door? And as we go back through, one more quick look there. Big living room area. Going over to your guest or children's side. Got a nice size room again here, folks. Plenty of space. We have our guest bath. Again, double sinks with granite countertops. And we do have the tub and shower. We have lots of mannequins hanging out. Did give me a little bit of a scare as I walked in that I thought somebody was in here with me. So this one we are using as an office right now, but definitely a bedroom. So again, plenty of space. Nice flooring in here. Back out into the main area. It's going to take a quick peek out here in the yard. So we do have a nice screened-in patio area. And we've got our fire pit out beyond that. And we'll take a quick peek out in the yard. So you can see we are completely fenced all the way around. And we do have more space over there than it appears when we're sitting right here on the patio. So we do have lots of space. Got our fan up there. Let's get us back inside to this nice cool air. So folks, this was an exciting one to take a look at. Super nice. Love all the granite and the sinks. So, folks, we are again at 181 District Street here in Palm Bay, 32909, 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Nice split plan, 1957 square feet. And we have all of our stainless steel appliances. We're pre-wired for an alarm system. We've got a 50-gallon water heater, Truss Covered Patio. We've got luxury plank flooring. So tons and tons of great stuff. Anyway, folks, just want to give one more shout out to Frankie Oliveras of Ken Jones Realty. I do apologize again if I am butchering that name because I am real sure I am. So again, Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, can answer your questions, take you on a tour. My number is 321-480-7662. And we are signing off here at 181 District Street in Palm Bay, Florida. You have an amazing day. Thanks. Bye-bye.